All right, everybody, welcome. Good to see you all. Perfect.
Are you sick?
Who's that? Do I look sick?
Abdullah Patel.
Voice is very creaky.
Okay, all right. So, yes, I've got COVID, and so is Shazia ma'am. So, both of us are down. We've got a lot of fever, chill, all the symptoms that we've got. So, inshallah, make duas for us. And yes, it's kind of difficult. Abdullah Patel is also not there because his nana, that is Shabana ma'am's father, just passed away today morning. So it's kind of tough. Yeah, Rushta. Yes, that's COVID. So my voice is bad, and today I'm better. Otherwise, I would have not taken the class. But I think speaking to all of you gives me a lot of joy. Yeah. So don't get worried. Alhamdulillah.
Also, can you upload the maths video of LCM?
Not been uploaded.
No.
I think it is because Abdullah is sick, so I don't think he'll be able to upload it. Amina, Aisha, I will ask him to do it later this week. But what you can do meanwhile is you can go to YouTube and check on LCM. You'll get a lot of other videos also. Essentially, you'll be able to find out between that whatever is possible. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So there we are. Right. How are you all? Good. Muhammad, Yahya, Rushta. Yeah. Look, all of you. Ibrahim. What are you speaking, Ibrahim? I can't hear you. Innovative.
Oh, actually, I was muted. Sorry.
Yeah, what were you saying? I think Hamdan. So I think good to see you. So most of us at home are down. So Juwaria is down with fever. So is Abdullah is not there. So some of us are a little down, but otherwise okay. We'll be coming out stronger. Don't worry. Yeah, taking all the precautions and the medicine. Should I wear a mask and sit with you? It's okay. No, you will not get COVID because of Zoom, right? Okay. Yeah. How are you, Aisha? Good. Both the Aishas. Aisha Kazi, you back in Mumbai or are you still in
You
Aurangabad?
should tell somebody else to take class.
Should I, Aisha? Why
Like,
don't you take the class?
because you should rest.
Thank you so much for your concern. MashaAllah, I'm really, you're so mature. So what I'll do is I'll not take such a long class. And also what happened is Aparna ma'am is down, Shabana ma'am is down, Shazia ma'am is down. Suddenly the whole week I've got all my teachers a little down.
Alfia ma'am also.
Alfia ma'am is down?
No,
No,
she's teaching
she's up.
Mandela. But she's
Yeah.
teaching Mandela.
What about Shruti ma'am?
Shruti ma'am is all good and ready. Yeah. So does it make you sad? You're like, oh,
Because she is a science teacher, she knows everything.
I know you all. You're like, oh wow, Shruti was down, no class, yay! Look at these boys and girls. All right, let me look at the timetable. So you got okay. You didn't have your first class. You didn't have an arts class yesterday. You have an English class, which will happen otherwise, and we'll see. You will not have your business studies this week. All right. So tomorrow also 10 o'clock. You can
Tomorrow
take,
is business, no?
yeah. So tomorrow you can take a break. Don't come early in the morning. 10 o'clock's class. We'll take a break, right?
We prepared the PowerPoints.
I know. I wish if I am okay, I will take a business class, but I don't think I'm also okay. I don't want to stretch myself, boys.
You
Yeah,
can tell Alfia ma'am to take.
yeah. She's already taking some other classes, isn't she? Right. So,
No?
all right. Hold on. We'll just work it out. Let me start this.
Also left the meeting.
No. I didn't leave the meeting. Okay, I'm here. Okay, today I'll
Your
do.
name is Abdullah Patel.
Yeah, because I'm using his login. I have to record the class. That's why. Right. I will start something very interesting today, as we always plan to do on electricity, and then we'll take it forward from there. Right. Any questions on electricity so far? How is it going? Did you all submit your assignment? Did you all do everything? Yeah.
So I
Yes.
submitted my assignment of the mains, the battery and the AC and the DC one.
Let me check, sir. So I've got the snapshot of the assignment. That's how we'll start with. Sorry, guys. Okay, we will maybe if the class, if I'm not able to take up, I'll not take long class today, but we'll take a little shorter class if I'm able to take up. But here is your sharing the screen right now, and right. So this is your first assignment, or this is the second assignment, and I'm very proud. I see that all of you've done it very well. Aisha Aga, you got 90, you done very well. Rushta, just one thing, you turn it in, as in when you submit your assignment, I think you have to submit it twice. You have to click twice. You've not clicked in twice. That is why it says not turned in. But I saw your assignments. You could add a little more in the common one. Give me examples, boys and girls, about things that move work both on AC and DC power.
The thing that work on AC will be
Laptop.
Okay, laptop. So
laptop,
you charge your laptop and there's a battery inside, so both things work. Okay, perfect. What else?
and DC will be
No, no, I want AC and DC both, Aisha. So laptop is one of them. Mobile phones is another
iPad,
one.
iPad, mobile,
TV,
iPad,
TV.
TV. Can you?
power bank.
No, no.
Yes,
Hold on. Can you play TV without putting in the mains?
yes.
How?
No.
No. So TV is only AC. Fridge is only AC. Power bank is the right answer. Good, good.
Then car.
Okay, car is okay, but car. Do you put car on electricity?
No.
Car actually runs on. See, if ever the car will run, a car doesn't run on. Car only runs on DC. Right now, we have not got to
Piano,
the piano. Okay, interesting. Yeah, okay, piano. Fair enough. But piano again,
speaker,
speakers. Okay, good speakers. So those are the answers. Uh,
alarm clock.
Good, good, good. No, okay, good. Hamdan, you did very well, mashallah. So did Anas. Ibrahim Rizwani, excellent. I love the way you presented. Yahya, even better. Muhammad Saqib, good. All of you are improved now. You all are doing some really good work, and I'm very happy. So just remember to turn it in twice. Oh, Juwaria is back. That's good. Oh, she's just next to me either. Anas Moment, Ibrahim. Okay, I asked you. So where did I miss out on? Okay, so there you are. So this is the one. Okay, Juwaria, Hamza, Saqib, all of you are doing very good. So this was your first assignment that you all did very nicely. The ones whose name I did not take are the ones who have missed out on. So I want you. So these are the people. Who is Dark Ninja, by the way? Any idea?
Usman. Blazing Usman, he left. Blazing Usman.
Okay, okay. Oh, all right. So I'll remove Usman from here. Humaira is here. Is Humaira Qasim around? Yeah, Humaira. Humaira, there are two names that you've got. Humaira Qasim, Humaira Mohammed. Which one is yours? Which one do you use? So today you check, please, and you need to submit your assignment. Humaira, could you do it today?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please do it today, inshallah. And then Muhammad, I'm surprised. Muhammad,
Doubt, sir. Which
yes,
assignment is this?
you already
Sir,
done it.
Humaira Qasim.
Okay, Humaira Qasim. So I'll remove Humaira Mohammed, but please submit your assignment. And Aisha, you already done the assignment. You already done
No,
it.
I know I did, but which one is
This
this?
is science one. You had a science class, Aisha. Okay,
The
Mohammed.
AC and DC one, no?
Yes, the AC and DC one. Then this is the first one, the complete and incomplete circuit. Everyone has done it, except I think I expect you, Muhammad Muhammadi. Muhammad, could you finish it? Yeah. So
Nah.
yeah, Muhammad, I did not see yours. Isn't this yours? Can you? Oh, sorry. Is this yours? That whatever mask is?
Yes, that's the
Yeah,
king.
yeah, Muhammad. So this has not been done. So I think this one is yours, right? So it has not been submitted. Can you finish and help me submit it, Muhammad?
Science or
Sorry?
in science, that na.
Yeah, in science. Yes, yes. Okay. So that's all I need you to do, Mohammed. So you're the only one that is left. So complete it. It's okay. You all are doing great work. So this is all that is done. I'm very happy that you all are able to complete your assignment. Today what we're going to do is we're going to take a little slow approach, and we're going to start doing a little bit of interesting part, more theory today, but I have some kind of an experiment or a game with you. Let me see if I can do that. As I said, be easy on me, guys. Today I am running on a lot of DC power. Okay, so my AC powers are down. Yeah, my DC is out here, my battery power. So where we are. Okay, so quick recap. What are the two powers you're talking about? What is electricity? Can I quickly have Aisha Kazi answer? What is electricity, Aisha Kazi? Aisha, unmute. Aisha, unmute. Yeah, I can't hear you. It's okay. Try out one more time.
Can I say?
Yahya. I want Yahya to answer. Why is everybody
Um,
sound? Yeah, okay. Speak, speak.
there are two types of current. AC current
No,
means
yeah. My question was, what is electricity?
um, electricity. Electricity is the flowing of electrons.
Like it is a flow of electrons. That's all I want. All right, good work. Hamza, Hamza, can you tell me what are the two type of electricities? Is Hamza around? I don't see Hamza. Umar, can you please tell me ultimate Umar?
DC and AC
Okay.
alternate
Okay. Tell me the full form of AC and DC. It's already there, so it's okay.
alternating current and direct current.
Good. All right. So today what we're going to do is we're going to take this entire learning AC and DC into power itself. Electricity is like something that gives you power, right? You get the power and you power up a fridge or a laptop or a mobile phone or a microwave, everything around. So there's some sources of energy. Now, you see, millions and millions of years ago, when dinosaurs and all the other plants and everything, when they died, they were buried. And they were buried under sediments, that is sand and rock and gravel. For millions of years, with a lot of pressure, they actually became into fossil fuel. Remember this key word I'm teaching you, right? Fossil fuel is, it became coal, oil, and today all the fossil fuel that we use, petrol, diesel, gas, is because of those fossils, because of those
Is
millions
that
and yes,
is
go
that
ahead.
a battery?
Yeah, that's a battery. This is a car battery, and these are your, this is a rechargeable battery. This is your normal 6-volt battery. So now the key point here is, you are, whenever you drive a car, actually you're using some part of some dinosaur, isn't it? This is your basic battery that you got. So there you are. Can you see this? Yeah.
That's why oil is so costly.
Yeah, that's why oil is very costly. Exactly. So what I'm going to do today is, now what happens if this, all this oil and natural gas, they will exhaust one day, because there are no more dinosaurs, there are no more fossil fuels. What are you going to do when all of this get exhausted? Ibrahim is running. What happened? What will you do? You can't drive a car then.
Yes, we cannot drive a car.
Yeah, tell me. I asked a question. What will you do then?
I will have to push the car ahead.
Ibrahim, I want a scientific answer. Go on.
I will go to petrol pump and
And
then and fill the
okay.
fuel engine.
Hamdan Fazlani, what will you do? You will ride your horses. Then what else will you do? Hamdan,
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum.
Sir,
Tell
he
me.
just vomited and he's not feeling well.
Oh, Sister Aisha, all right, please take care. Just let
Yeah,
Hamdan. I think most of us are a little down. Tell him
yeah.
not to worry. Okay? Inshallah. Just let.
Jazakallah. I need just leave the class right now.
Yes, yes. No, no, please don't worry. I'll
Okay.
share the recording.
Jazakallah. Assalamualaikum.
Oh, things are tough on everybody's front. Okay. Mohammed Saqib, what will happen if there are no petrol? What will happen in Dubai? What will happen in Dubai itself? Mohammed Saqib, tell me.
There will be less cars.
Okay, interesting. There are less cars. Jueria?
But we can drive electric cars.
That's interesting.
Battery.
Okay, interesting. Jueria?
We can reuse oil.
Rechargeable cars.
Okay, rechargeable cars. Jueria says you can
Electric car.
reuse oil. Interesting. Rushta, what will you do?
I'll fly a helicopter.
But you need fuel for helicopter as well, isn't it? You can't take
Then
up.
I'll use solar power.
You
Cycle.
Okay, that's the answer I was looking for. You use solar power. What else can you do, Muhammad Muhammadi?
Cycle, sir, cycle.
Cycle. I like the answer. I wish we all can do more cycling, isn't it?
If it is not long distance, you can walk.
You can walk. Okay. Anas, what else can you do besides cycling?
Railgadi.
Gadi, come on, think like scientists. What has happened to all of you? I
Ma'am,
want your yes.
We have it down because it is popular and petrol is over, so they cannot earn money.
My goodness, I think everyone's getting
You can call for help.
my
We
goodness.
can
What's
go on motor.
It looks like an English lit circle class and not a science class. What's happened to all the scientific minds here? I am asking you if these whatever I told you are called non-renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable renew means you can reuse it, right?
You
Non-renewable.
can you
Yeah, Aisha
can
Aga.
you can try cycling the key.
No, Aisha, I'm asking you what are the other renewable sources of energy? Like how I got an answer which is solar power, there is wind power, there is geothermal power. So at the end of the day, humans are very smart. They will create new alternate sources of energy, and that is what my topic of today is. What we are saying is this what I told you is fossil fuels, all right? Fossil fuels is basically coal, oil, natural gas. By the way, natural gas you get it in rivers and oceans. You have to dig down and you'll get natural gas. Like Reliance does a whole natural gas. So Shell is a company which does it. Then now humans have found another source of energy which is very difficult, very expensive, called the nuclear energy. Remember the nuclear bomb? When you split the atom, the energy created can be used for electricity. Now that is very high level. That's very tough energy. That's a nuclear energy. But what is possible right now is you can use water in the dam and wind in the windmills to generate electricity. These are called renewable sources of energy. Today, everybody is in problem, right? Just because the outside's down with COVID, everyone's thinking, why cycling? We will drive, we will do helicopter. What has happened to my science team? This is called renewable sources of energy. You can use wind energy, you can use hydro energy. Water, yes, yes, Aisha.
Atom is in the nuclear energy. A atom is extend break into that is a nuclear energy, and that it remains waste. And when the sun combine the atom, that energy doesn't produces waste.
Correct. So basically, Umar, what I'm saying is when you split an atom, the energy comes is huge. It's called nuclear fission or fusion. We'll talk about later how you make an atom bomb or a nuclear bomb. So that is very high. So the expensive also. You need an element called uranium for nuclear energy. Right now we are not going to. If you're using uranium, then probably what your petrol may cost, 70
Doubt,
rupees or
sir.
90. Yeah.
I didn't understand the nuclear.
Yeah, nuclear energy, Aisha, is an expensive source of energy. You need an element called uranium for it. This is called nuclear fission or fusion. That's why I'm not interested in nuclear energy. I want to use some more renewable sources that are free for you. Is solar free? Sun is free, or you have to pay tax on using sunlight? Who pays
No,
tax?
seriously.
Sun is free, right? You don't pay tax on sunlight, right? Do you pay tax on wind and
No.
dams? So these are
No.
called renewable sources of energy. You use it, so we have to use more of solar energy. And finally, there's something called geothermal. As I said, today will be a lot of theory class, and hopefully you learn this. Inshallah, it'll be better for you. These are four main sources I want to talk about: hydro, wind, solar, and geothermal. Let me give you an example here. So now, go ahead. Tell me someone. Okay, let me go to who should I go? Muhammad Mohammadi. Haven't spoken a lot. Muhammad, tell me where is nuclear? Where is nuclear energy?
In nuclear bombs.
Okay, so can you take this nuclear and put it somewhere? Where do I go? Where will it go? Can you see this atom? This is an atom. Okay, good. Humera, so show me solar energy. Which is solar energy? This one, this one. So you can say a drum. You can say this is the ground. This is windmill. This is house. Where is solar energy? Can you see something on the house, Homera? What is this? What are these guys?
That is
Solar panels. Solar
Perfect. Yes,
panels.
these are solar panels, right? So that's a solar energy. You can use sun's energy. I thank you so much, innovative Ibrahim. Now, can you? Yes, once I had gone out in Gulf and I saw somebody charging the mobile phone like this. He kept the mobile phone like that, and there was a solar panel on the mobile phone. They didn't need a charger. The mobile was charging on its own because of the solar panel. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, Mohammed Saqib, tell me where is hydro and wind? Okay, thank you. There you are. Mohammed Saqib is all on
Sir,
his dirt.
can we attach solar panels on our normal mobile phones so it will charge?
Doubt, sir. Can I say the next?
Okay, go ahead. I'll answer that first, but go ahead. Next, where is geothermal?
Uh,
Go ahead.
Sir, what is geothermal? I have
Okay,
some doubt.
okay, yeah, Aisha. Okay, geothermal. See, geo means anything to do with earth. Thermal means anything which is warm. So anything from the warm earth is geothermal. Wait, why am I getting this message? Okay, 1 minute. Sorry. The geothermal is anything that, so all the heat from the earth can be used to produce electricity, that is geothermal. Now yes, see, solar panel is important. You can use your mobile phone, but it will not be normally used. The solar panels are expensive. To install solar panel one time will be expensive, but you can reap it over and over again. All right, so you will have to put the panel on your mobile phone. Maybe it will become very common in few years time. So for that, but you need the kit. You need the solar panel kit to go ahead with. So your answer is yes, but it will take a little effort and expensive to put the solar panel right now. Okay, and finally, the fossil fuel is oil, coal, and gas. You can see that oil, coal, and gas. Good enough, right? So these are the images that you see. These are your renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. Jueria, tell me one source which is renewable. What is renewable, Jueria? Right?
which can be reused.
Okay, all right, good. Give me one example
Paper.
from here.
I Fossil fuels.
Okay. Aisha Kazi, is she right? Fossil fuel, is it renewable? Renewable means you can reuse again and again. Fossil fuels are because of the all the fossils of the dinosaurs and the earlier plant. Do you think they're more
Sir,
valuable?
what is the meaning of hydro?
Yes.
Sir, what is the meaning of hydro?
Okay, I will answer that. Let me just help first answer this for Aisha. Aisha, what do you think? Fossil fuel, is it renewable or non-renewable? Aisha, I think there's some problem with the voice. Aisha, I can't hear you. Okay, we'll try it out again, Aisha. Yeah, there's some issue, I think, with the voice with your thing. Okay, Anas is right. Okay, so remember, I think a little Yahya, can you tell me if fossil fuel is renewable or non-renewable? Yahya Rizwani.
Hydro,
No, my question is,
hydro
my question is
and wind, solar and geothermal.
please, my question is fossil fuel renewable or non-renewable source of energy?
Non-renewable.
Okay, non-renewable. You cannot renew. Jueria, you made a mistake here. Remember what you said, Aisha? You got it right, but hold on, Mohammed. Yeah, who said, Mohammed, you're not good with science? You are very good at science, and I'm seeing you all enjoy circling and everything. Remember, the things they'll end, that will finish soon, is a fossil fuel. Right. Now, hydro. Somebody asked me hydro. Hydro means hydro is water. Right? So Hydra, remember the water monster called Hydra? So water energy is called hydropower. Wind is wind power, solar is the sun energy, geothermal, as I explained, earth, heat from the earth is geothermal. So these are some of the energies we are talking about. Good enough, everybody? Are you clear? Any question on this one? This is only theory I want to explain to you. That's it. It's simple, right? Any question so far? Yeah, I know, Aisha. It's okay. I cannot hear your audio, but you can restart it after the class. As long as you can hear me, it's okay. Okay. Ultimate Umar is good. Yes, thank you, Umar. I can see yes writing it down. Okay, so these are the renewable sources and non-renewable sources. Non-renewable, remember, which cannot be reused again. So if you want to annotate, you can make a big cross on it and say, I have to save non-renewable source of energy. Yeah, thank you. See, everybody loves to do that. Yes, good. Keep doing it. The one is like petrol, diesel, anything that is completely so. And also it, and you know, one of the worst thing about non-renewable source of energy is, can anybody tell me what's wrong with non-renewable source of energy before we go to the renewable? Guys, thank you so much for all the playing around now. What's the
Because of coal and the fossil
Muhammad?
fuels,
That's enough.
we
Thank you.
drive cars. So
Umar, enough. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Virahim, go ahead. Tell me. Because of fossil fuel, you drive cars and
because of the fossil fuel, When the car gets petrol and diesel, so the car pollutes the air by the smoke, and it causes air pollution.
Fantastic, fantastic. So all those non-renewable sources of energy, now you can remove the annotation. No, Aisha, I can't hear you. But all the non-renewable source of energy, the coal, the diesel, the petrol, the natural gas, they cause a lot of pollution, right? Renewable sources are not free though. They are free in nature, but you have to convert it. So it's expensive to set it up, but they are non-polluting. Solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, water energy is non-polluting. That is why the more you can use it, the better it becomes. Right, everybody? Great. Can everybody undo the annotation so I can move ahead, please, quickly? Thank you. The last one. Okay. So no one. So I'll have to redo it myself. Fantastic. So this is the first part of what we were doing today in terms of renewable, non-renewable source of energy. Now, we just spoke about mains and battery energy. So look at this. This is how a gas station and a nuclear power station looks like. In India, we have got nuclear power stations where nuclear energy is made. And these are some really, really special. There is a place called Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu, where India's nuclear power is done. When you're a nuclear country, very few countries in the world are a nuclear country. You become very powerful. Yes? All right?
So
Okay.
how do you make nuclear energy?
You break an atom. Simple terms, you break an atom, right? So it is a very high level work. It is very expensive work. As I said, you need uranium and isotopes of uranium, radioactive elements, but we're not interested in right now. All you need to understand is only few countries have been able to do that. India is one of them. But on
Right.
easy, yes, go ahead.
How for electricity?
I can't hear. Who said that? Can you say again?
How is dam used for
Okay, good.
electricity?
Yes, thank you. So this is my next part. So let's go. Okay, I'll go to three part. Now what happens is dam, when you store water, it is potential energy. In the sense, a lot of energy is there. When you throw the water, when you make the water run through, the water with all the power, it can go on a turbine like
Sir,
a
may I
motor.
go to the washroom?
Yeah, yeah, please go. This is okay. This is the class. You can drink water, you can use the washroom. If you want, you can, enjoy, just relax, right? So when your water falls on, say, a turbine keeps rotating and that will produce electricity. That will generate heat actually. So that's how you use it. The idea is all of these will convert heat energy into electricity. Right, the same way the wind turbine. So there is a country, which country in Europe is like called the land of windmills? Anybody who can tell me this geography answer? One country is like known for windmills in Europe. Which country? No, it's called Holland. Okay, Netherlands or Holland, whatever you want to call it. So this, yeah,
The
Rushta, great
what
answer.
will
Yeah,
happen if we put the solar panels across the Sahara Desert?
it would be brilliant. It's a brilliant idea. The only problem is the cost of converting the solar panel in Sahara is very expensive. Right now, we don't have that means. There is, in India, the first airport to convert everything into solar is the Cochin International Airport in Kerala. They have put, they have put thousands of square meters into solar panel. It's a huge thing. So setting up a solar panel is very expensive, but once you do it, you can use it. I know some schools which completely run on solar panel in Europe, and now even in India there is a green school in Bali which is completely using solar energy. So even in our homes we can put solar panel. You can heat water with solar energy. You can use your normal electricity. You can watch TV. You can charge your mobile phone. But the initial setup cost is very expensive. Inshallah, when we go to WeWork, all of you, yeah, my neighbor, our office, where our office was, yeah, they have a company called HTC. It's a very nice name. What is HTC? Here comes,
Mobile.
no, no, the name of the company, HCT, sorry, HCT. Okay, here comes the sun. Okay, like, what is the HCS? I completely forgot the name of the company also.
Can you hear me?
Now I can hear you. Oh, welcome back, Aisha Kazi. Everybody clap for Aisha. See, she's a technical smart genius. She did her own. Okay. All right. So there's a company called HCS. Here comes sun. Oh, HTC or HCS, I don't know, Umar. But anyway, they set up these solar panels in different companies, so you can use a lot of it. So these are some of the sources of energy I wanted to speak to you today about, and hopefully you learn about it as you go ahead. Right now, these are power stations. So now all the purpose of the energy is you combine all the energy and you send it to a power grid. A power grid is where all the energy is collected and then it is redistributed. It's more like the main area. So today, where you are getting electricity in your houses, it comes from the main MSCB power grid. There are like thousands and thousands of volts are there, and then it redirects these volts through transmission line. Remember the transmission line we spoke about, where the birds sit and nothing happens. And then when it comes to your local transmitter, so there is a local transmitter near your house. So Nehru Sector 27 has it. Near Vignar you have one. You have one in Belapur. You have one near Wonders Park. So now they will now send only limited power. How much power do you get in your house?
To
220
24.
volts.
Perfect. Now my
20 volts.
yes, my 220 volts. My scientists are talking like scientists. Now I'm happy. Good. You did not say, sir, lot of power, less power. You do not speak like amateurs now. Great. So this is a power station. All right. Just giving. This is a transformer, not the transformer like Optimus Prime and okay. Right. Hamdan is back. Hamdan, hope you're feeling good. All right. Yeah. 220 to 240. Umar, both are right. Right. Transformers. What is the other transformer? Bumblebee. Yeah. Okay.
Bumblebee and
Yeah,
Golden.
yes, yes. So this is not the transformer. This transformer is a box where you can transform it. Then these are called pylons. Don't worry. Pylons are like towers, simple towers. And then again, there's a second transformer which converts the energy into less now. Slowly, you'll make it lesser and lesser. And finally, this is reach Humaira Qasim's home.
In
Okay.
the solar panel also, the something come like this to reduce the energy.
Right,
Else
absolutely,
the
absolutely.
only
Yes, yes. So solar panel also reduce it, but solar panel, see, any energy that is collected will have to be stored. Now, how you distribute it is the same way. Distribution energy is the same way. Solar panel energy will also come the same way.
And if transformer not works, so it comes short circuit, na?
Okay, we will talk about circuits and insulators a little while later, inshallah, next week. But good. I think I'm straining my voice a little too much. Uh, okay, we are doing good, alhamdulillah. Now, the only thing I want to discuss with you is how safe is the energy that reaches your home is. So, are you ready to play a game with me now as we close the session? Okay, I'm going to take you to this house. Right? Whose house is this? Go ahead, tell me. Anybody? Anas, your house? Whose house do you want to have? Yeah, Jumeria's
Dubai
house.
house. Dubai
Dubai.
villa. Villa,
Dubai.
villa.
Oh, yeah, it's a Dubai villa. All right. So I'll say Sheikh Mohammed Mohammadi's Dubai villa. Okay, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to this house and we'll see what are the safe things in your house and what are not safe things. This is it. Our main session is over. I've got 5 minutes. I thought I'll play a game with you before we close out. I'm taking you to this house. Let me see if you can see the screen. Can you still see the screen now? Loading. Can you see it loading? Can you see this
Yeah.
little nice dog? Okay.
Oh,
All right.
No.
You can't see? I'm sure you can see. No? Can you see, guys?
the house
No.
of
Okay, I will unshare and I'll share again with all of you. Okay. Can you see it now?
yes.
yes.
Okay, great. Now what we're gonna do is
Yes.
let me go to bedroom now. Okay. Now we are going to Sheikh Muhammadi's bedroom now. Oh, hello, hi Muhammad, how are you? Hello, Dawood sir, how are you? Okay. Now you have to tell me 7 dangers in the house. Okay, simple. Since we're doing electricity, 7 areas you should be
Above
careful.
the
Hold on, no. Yeah, okay, Muhammad, thank you. Okay, I will allow you to. Muhammad Saqib, you have to wait on now. Yeah, yeah. Who said you have grown up now? Yeah, all of you are excited. I'm happy about it. I will tell you your names and then we'll ask you to point out. Muhammad Mohammadi, can you circle any problem? One area that's a problem, and I'll go ahead. Come on.
Sir, that TV, no one is watching. That's why the switch is on.
Okay, let me check.
Danger. Never stick anything into the holes of a socket.
Is that Rujda's voice? Almost look like Rujda to me. Okay, that's right. So number one is good. Okay, all right. Aisha Aga, tell me another problem. We got one. We corrected one. That's Muhammad told me. Aisha Aga.
The can I say
Yeah, go ahead. Say.
the
Okay.
lamp?
The lamp. Okay, let me see what's wrong with the lamp.
Always get grown up to change light bulbs.
Okay, so this is another area that do not change the light bulbs alone. Yeah, this is just a game that we do. Okay, who can tell me some more now? Or else should
Can I tell?
Yeah, go ahead, Mohammed Saqib. Is that Mohammed Saqib? Okay. Is it piano?
Don't let leads from electrical items trail across the floor.
Okay, I got 3 right. Okay, Anas, you want to say?
Can I say
Yeah, okay.
the that juice on the TV?
What's wrong with juice?
Always keep drinks away from electrical things.
Okay, so don't keep these drinks on the electrical things. Good. 4. I want 3 more. Okay, so I've kept it here now. See?
Sir, he is standing under the light bulb.
Always get grown up to change light
We
bulbs.
got that, right? Didn't we? Okay, what about this part? See? Look at the circuit.
Danger. Never stick anything into the holes of a socket.
Do not put anything in the socket. This is very important. All right.
The radio.
Never leave electrical
Yes,
things
the
when you're
radio.
not using them.
Excellent, excellent. The radio was good. That's good. I like what you have said. Okay, let's go to another room now. Which room do you want to go to?
Living room.
Garden.
Living room. Living room.
I heard
Garden
living.
last. Last is garden.
Okay, all right. Living room. All right. Now we change homes now. Okay. So we go to Juwaria Waid's home now. Oh, is that Juwaria?
That car down on the floor.
Okay. All right.
The TV. The television.
The wire of lamp.
See, the car is not a. There is no problem with the car. Let me see.
Never overload an adapter.
Okay, now this is very important. Look at this. It says never overload an adapter. It could lead to fire. Now, you see, if you add on more and more devices to one single adapter, you will see, remember my little boys and girls, always have it's okay to spend more on the electrical appliances. Never buy cheap mobile phones, never buy cheap mobile chargers, never buy cheap extension cords. These are what cause what are the good companies that sells extension cords and everything? Wires? Samsung. No, wires. I want wires. Which company sells good wire? Apple. No, I want electrical wires.
LED.
Siska. Oh yes, Siska.
There's the wire
Yes.
of the lamp.
Which wire? No, but I want to know the company's name. Remember Havells?
Sir, you can fix it.
You can fix it.
Don't
Okay.
let leads from electrical items trail across the floor.
Okay. Why don't the girls now help me out? Rushda, Juwaria, Aisha's. Go ahead. Humaira, Qasim. Come on, tell me.
There is a candle on the top of the.
Excellent.
Never
Excellent.
have lit candles on electrical things.
Okay, Aisha, I get the other one also.
Danger. Never stick anything into
All
the
right.
holes of a socket.
Brilliant. You got all 4 out of 4 done. Yeah, lamp is done. Okay. Which room do you want to go next?
Kitchen.
Bedroom.
Kitchen.
Bathroom. Bathroom.
Okay. I'm going to bathroom. Hey. Hey, hi. Who is this girl now? Who is this girl? Is that
Geyser.
Hey, Muhammad, Aisha, hold on. Let others also come on. Tell me, geyser. Okay, let me see. Okay,
The
somebody.
geyser.
Where is the geyser? Where is the geyser? This one. Okay.
And the hair straightener.
Take
The hair
open
straightener.
electrical items.
Remember, see, these are small things. It's fun, but never ever take electrical appliances to this. This is very important. Do not take any electrical appliance, especially wet ones. You will have real big shock. Okay, Aisha says that.
Never touch electrical items with wet hands.
Okay, we will talk about insulators. Is water insulator or
That
not?
radio thingy on the toilet.
Radio thingy. Okay, radio
Danger.
thingy.
Never
commode
take
of the
plugged-in
toilet.
electrical items into the
Yeah.
bathroom.
Okay. Commode. Where is that?
Always dry yourself before you touch switches.
Always dry yourself. This is one big mistake. I see a lot of people do that. That imagine if you're taking a bath and you're
Also, can
yeah.
can't see anything because of the annotation.
Okay, you want me to remove the annotation? Okay, I will do that. Okay. Okay, I have disabled the annotation now finally. Okay. Okay, 1 minute.
Kitchen.
Okay. Okay, last 2 and then we'll go ahead. Okay. And then we'll close the session. Kitchen. So now you can't annotate, but I think it's fun. Okay. Now you can't annotate, but you speak up.
Toaster.
Okay.
Istri.
Mixer. Mixer.
Iron.
Iron.
Chuva. The mouse sitting
Mouse.
Very hot and burn you.
Okay, take care of the iron, right?
And the mixer also. Mixer.
Okay.
Mixer and the toaster.
Never
Mixer and the toaster.
near the cooker.
Okay.
Never stick anything inside.
The cooker
Even
is
if
on.
toast is stuck.
Okay, very important. Imagine
The
if you-
microwave is
Mouse.
on. The microwave is
Never
on.
put objects into the microwave or the washing machine without a grown-up.
Okay, all right.
Sir, the
Mouse.
sink. The sink. The
The
sink.
ma-
Sir, the gas.
The toaster.
Never touch electrical things with wet hands.
Sir, the
The
gas.
toaster. The toaster.
Sir, the
Toaster.
gas.
Toaster is done. Fridge.
Gas.
No,
gas.
no. Where is the gas?
That one. Sir,
Behind the child.
The switchboard. The switchboard. Yeah, the other one.
Danger. Never stick anything into the holes of
Hey,
a socket.
we did the switchboard, didn't we? What are we missing out of? We did everything?
Yes.
Okay.
Garden.
Garden.
Bedroom.
Finish bedroom
How
now.
come garden is in the house?
It's outside the garden. There's only two issues in garden. Go ahead. Tell
That
me.
grass cleaner. The grass cleaner.
cleaner.
The grass cleaner. The
Okay.
cutter of the glass.
Okay, all right. Second one.
and the crow.
The
This
pool.
one?
The pool.
Dry yourself before going inside and
Okay.
touching switches.
So congratulations, you all have done fantastic. Okay, so your rooms are all,
Awesome.
okay. So you've done good work. No assignment for you this week. Enjoy, everybody. Take a lot of rest. Yeah, be healthy, and I'll see you again on Friday, inshallah. At the time I'll be fully fit. Make lots of duas for me as well, and everybody else in the team. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.
Tomorrow we have fitness.
Fitness is not tomorrow. Fitness is on Thursday, Aisha.
Tomorrow is business actually, but
You don't have business class tomorrow. Okay. You want a class? I will arrange a class for you. Or you want to
it
take a
is
break?
fine.
Sir, we have to
No,
prepare
we
a
won't break.
PPT.
We won't break.
Look
We have
at
to prepare a PPT.
Ibrahim is saying, please have a class. See, Rujda is
No.
please out, sir.
class.
Yes,
Sir, we
yes.
don't want the class.
I know all of you. Okay, no business class tomorrow. Okay, take a break tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll start at 11 o'clock class itself. All right. Bye bye, everybody.
Assalamu alaikum.